An English drama, The Golden Touch, from Standard 5th, presented by Zila Parishad Urdu Upper Primary School, Dhanki.
What a lot of gold I have, but I wish I had some more. Who are you?
I am afraid.
How did you get in? The door is locked.
Locked doors cannot keep me up. What a pile of gold you have there. You must be very rich.
But I want more. I want to be richer. It has taken many years to get out this gold. I want to get more gold quickly.
Why do you like it so?
Why? Everyone loves gold. It makes it. I love to sit in stars and get all my gold.
In your garden are flowers and golden sunshine. They are far more beautiful.
Not to me. I like to be here where everything is made of real gold. I wish that everything I touch would turn to gold.
That is a strange wish. Are you sure you want to turn everything you touch to gold?
Yes, I'm sure everything made of gold. I would be so happy.
Then you shall have your wish. Tomorrow morning at sunrise you shall have the golden touch.
Thank you so much, stranger.
Do not hang me. Perhaps you will be sorry.
Oh no, it's a dream come true.
Good morning, princess. Good morning. Here is the king. He has gone for a walk in the garden. I have been looking for him. Everything in his bedroom is turned to gold. There he is in the rose garden. Whatever is he doing? He is touching all the roses. Now he is coming this way. I will go and get this breakfast.
Good morning, Marigold. See what I brought for you.
A fine yellow rose. It has no smell and the heart petal and pricked my nose.
What are you crying for? It is a golden rose. All roses in our garden are golden.
Are they all like this one?
Come on now, let's have a breakfast too.
What's the matter? Have burnt your mouth.
This fish has turned to gold. I must try an egg. Oh, that has turned to gold. Oh no, what shall I do now?
Tell me what's the matter.
Everything I touch turns to gold. I shall never be able to eat anything.
My poor father, can I help you?
No, don't touch me. Keep away. Oh, Marigold, what have you done? My daughter, my dear Marigold, so full of life, like a ray of sunshine. She is only a golden doll now.
Well, friend Metas, what do you say now?
I am the unhappiest man in the world.
Why you have plenty of gold now?
I don't want this gold. I want my daughter. I want to eat. I want your flowers in my garden. Please take away this golden touch.
Do you really want me to take away the golden touch?
I hate it. Take it away.
Then go and bathe in the stream that flows through your garden. When that is done, bring back a pitcher of water and sprinkle it upon anything you wish to change back from gold.
First, I will sprinkle some water over my dear little Marigold.
What are you doing, father? You have sprinkled water on my floor.
Let us go into the garden, Marigold. See what a fine morning it is.
Yes, let us and pick some flowers.
Come along then, Marigold. I have to sprinkle this on everything I touch, and then we will get you some beautiful roses with a lovely smell.